Morning all of you. Our next video is about numbers. Okay, we all know that different types of numbers are there. Some of the examples are names of different types of numbers are complex numbers, real number, rational number, irrational number, imaginary number, etc., etc., etc. So now we will actually classify the numbers. So numbers is mainly classified into real and imaginary numbers. Real means the number which can be represented in a number line. That is what is real number. And the another category is what is imaginary number. Imaginary number which we cannot represent it in a number line. For example, square root of -4. We all know that this negative square root of the negative number which we cannot represent it in a number line. Yes. So we can just split this into √4 into -1. Or you can say √4 into √-1. So √-1 you cannot see. So we will represent this as 2i, which means this is an imaginary number. Okay. So which we cannot express it in a number line. That type of number is what is imaginary number. Okay. So the number then we can discuss about the real numbers. Okay, classification of that real number. Actually, we already discussed that the real number which can be expressed in a number line, or you can say the number which really exists. That is what is actually known as real number. The name suggests real numbers, which means the number which can really exist. So actually this real number is again classified into rational number and irrational number. As we all know, rational number is the number which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are the integers, where q cannot be equal to 0. Is it? Yes. So the set of number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is what is actually known as rational number. And we also know that decimals are divided into terminating and non-terminating. And this non-terminating is again divided into recurring or repeating and non-repeating or non-recurring. So in this category, terminating is always rational. We all know that when the remainder is 0, when we divide the remainder is 0, that kind of numbers are terminating decimals, is it? Then non-terminating, which means the remainder cannot be equal to 0. And again this can be classified into recurring and non-recurring, or repeating or non-repeating. The number which is like 1 by 3, this can be expressed as 0.3333 like that, which means you can say 0.3 repeating. This is what is actually known as non-terminating recurring one. Okay, and non-terminating non-recurring is actually, this can be like this way: 0.03, 003, 0003, like that it will be goes on. It doesn't terminate as well as it doesn't repeat it. So this particular type is what is non-terminating, non-recurring. So remember, non-terminating, non-recurring is what is irrational, and the terminating and the recurring, non-terminating, recurring is what is rational. Okay, so you can represent the rational number in the form P by Q is what is rational number. Anyway, that the decimal form, when we convert this the numbers in decimal form, you can say terminating and non-terminating recurring is what is rational number. Again, rational number is divided into integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So you can say integer. What do you mean by integer? What is integer? Integers means the number which starts from the negative infinity, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that up to positive infinity. Okay. So you can say, is there any number is in between, any integer is in between 1 and 2? No. There is no integer in between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or 0 and 1. Yes? Yes. Whole number is a subset of this integer, whole number, but we have 0 and positive numbers. 0 and the positive numbers, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that up to infinity, which you can say whole number. Yes. And the another subset of whole number is what is known as natural number. Natural number is only, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and it is a natural number. The name suggests natural number. Naturally we count the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Yes, that is what is natural number. Okay. So these are the classifications of rational number. What are they? Integers, whole numbers and natural number. And again, this whole number is again classified into even and odd. Even number means, already we know that from the first standard itself we are aware about this even and odd number. Isn't it? Yes. Even number means the number which can be divisible by 2 is what is even number, and the number which are not divisible by 2 is what is odd number, that we all know. Yes. And from the 5th class or 6th class onwards, we studied what prime number and composite number. What do you mean by prime number and composite number? The number which has only 2 factors, which means the number itself and 1 are known as prime number, which means 2. One, first we will consider about 1 is a 1 neither prime nor composite. Neither 1. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay? Yes. So prime number starts from 2. Yes, 2 have only factors 1 and the number 2 itself. Yes? And 3 is also having like that, which means having a factor of 1. Every number has a factor of 1, is it? Yes. And the number itself 3. Like that, it goes on. And in composite number, you can say 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is again prime, 3 is again prime, and 4 is what is the first composite number which you can see. Yes, but 4 we have 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, and 4 itself. So 4 has 3 factors, is it? Like that 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. And again 8, 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, and 8 is a factor. Yes? And 9 itself also having 1 is a factor, and 3 is a factor, and 9 is also a factor of 9. So these are the what are the classifications of what whole numbers. Okay, whole number is again classified into even and odd and prime and composite. The main important thing, 1 is a number which is neither prime nor composite. So already we discussed about the rational number. Okay, then we will discuss about the irrational number. What do you mean by irrational number? Again, Irrational number, is it a real number? Yes. Irrational number is the classification of the real number. Okay. It's a subset of real number. Yes. So actually what you mean by irrational number, which we cannot express in the form of P by Q. Okay. Which we cannot express in the form P by Q. Yes. For example, you can say root 2. What is the value for root 2? 1.414 dash 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 like that. It is going on up to many digits. We cannot find out the last decimal number, or you cannot see that. We cannot see the remainder is 0 on that particular thing. Or you can say pi. The value of pi is again 3.14, and many scientists researched on the real value of pi, but they cannot. So they found around millions of numbers after this 3.14. After that, those digits were found out, but they cannot. They are failed in finding out the last digit or any fashion or repeating fashion. Yes. So that's why pi value of pi is also again, it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So these are the classifications of numbers. Again, summarize all these portions. Numbers classified into real and imaginary number, and the real number which is really exist, which means we can express it in a number line. Yes. Then next is what is imaginary number, which we cannot express in the number line. And for example, negative square root of -4. So the square root of a negative number, we cannot express it in a number line. Yes. So real number is again classified into rational and irrational. Rational is what is, we can express it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers, where Q is not equal to 0. This is very important point. When we divide any number with 0, that answer will be undefined, is it? Yes. And the classification of the rational number is again integers, whole numbers and natural number. Integers, we know that from the negative infinity to the positive infinity. And the whole numbers, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. And the natural number, which is the natural number. Okay. So that is what is counting numbers, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 like that up to infinity. And again this whole number is divided into even number and odd number, and prime number and composite number. And again we have to remember that one is neither prime nor composite. Yes. And the next classification of real number, rational and then irrational. Irrational number is which we cannot express in the form of P by Q. For example, root 2 or pi. Yes. So we know that pi is the value of pi is 3.14, and it is repeating like that. Okay, not repeating, actually 3.14, and then numbers comes, which does not terminate and does not recur or repeat. So we know that pi is existing, is it? That's why we can make a circle, is it? The perimeter of a circle, what is the value? What is the formula for perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r, is it? Then root 2 is also exists. Just because when we draw a right triangle, if you have base and perpendicular 1 and 1, then we will get the hypotenuse is root 2, is it? So root 2 exists. Then only we can say that this triangle is exists. Okay, anyway, so this says what is irrational number is a number which is exists in the number line. Yes, anyway, real number is classified into rational and irrational, and in decimal form you can say non-terminating, non-recurring. So these are the main points of this classification of numbers. Hope you all are understood this basic concept of numbers. Yes? Okay, then we'll see on the next video. Bye. Thank you.